Hello everyone, we are students of Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, and will be explaining the topic RISC and CISC. Myself Shreya Nikole. So RISC is an abbreviation for Reduced Instruction Set Computer, while CISC is an abbreviation for Complex Instruction Set Computer. Out of this, the processor have comparatively smaller set of instructions along with few addressing nodes. On the other hand, the CISC processor consists of larger sets of instructions along with multiple addressing nodes.
Hello everyone, myself Nikita Supekar. Now let's take a look at the difference between CISC and RISC. CISC has large number of instruction lines, RISC has less number of instruction lines. Emphasis on hardware, emphasis on software, variable length instruction format, fixed length instruction format, large number of addressing modes, few number of addressing modes. CISC has high cost whereas RISC has less cost. CISC is more powerful compared to RISC. Less number of registers are used in CISC, more number of registers are used in RISC.
Hello everyone, myself Kunal Nimkar. I will explain you about the architecture of CISC and RISC. Let's see the architecture of CISC. It includes microprogram control unit, instruction and data path, cache memory and main memory. The microprogram control unit takes the instruction from control unit, that are the micro instructions, process it and provide the whole data to the control unit. Control unit control instruction and data path. The instruction and data path have done fetching, execution and decoding. These three processes done by instruction and data path with the help of main memory. Cache memory is the part of main memory. It stores files temporarily. This is all about the architecture of CISC. Now let's see the architecture of RISC. RISC architecture based on hardwired control unit. Hardware control unit is used for giving separate cycle for the separate instructions. So it will separated the instruction cache and data path as well as data cache. If you can observe carefully, then you can find the difference between RISC architecture and CISC architecture. The main difference between RISC and CISC is RISC include hardwired control unit whereas CISC include micro instruction control unit. This is the main cause the RISC is having faster operations.
Hello everyone, myself Nikhilesh Chauhan. I will explain you about the characteristics of CISC. Instructions are complex and thus it has complex instruction decoding. The instruction may take more than one clock cycle in order to get executed. Lesser general purpose registers are used since the operation get performed only in a memory. Instruction comes under size of one word. Cost is high and it is more powerful. Complex addressing modes.
Now let us discuss the characteristics of RISC. It has simpler instructions and thus simple instruction coding. The instruction takes one clock cycle in order to get executed. More general purpose register is used. Cost is less and it is less powerful than CISC. Simpler addressing modes.
Hello everyone, my name is Anshul Nimje and I will explain you about the CISC and RISC. How does it actually works? Basically, we had seen earlier that CISC has a large number of instructions than RISC. That we have seen the difference earlier. So main topic is understanding it conceptually, that how does it takes place and how does the data and instruction transfer from main memory to registers and registers to execution. What does execution takes place, how does it execution takes place. Okay, so let's start. Suppose I take the ratio of 2 is to 2. 2 is to 2 means second row second column and 3 is to 3 means third row third column. Suppose I name it 2 is to 2 means x and 3 is to 3 means y. Suppose I need to multiply the both. So in CISC I can easily multiply by taking the mult. We can write mult 2 is to 2 into 3 is to 3, that means x into y. X can be any value and y can be any value. Here, as we had seen earlier, that single clock cycle takes place as it is a microprogram control unit. But in RISC, this does not happen. 2 is to 2, that means x, and 3 is to 3, that means y. First it will go to the registers, and after registers it will go to the main memory, that is after execution. So we will take load A, that means 2 is to 2, load the value of 2 is to 2, and then load B 3 is to 3, that means load the value of 3 is to 3, and then after that we will write prod means we will do product of each other, that is prod A is to B. After that it will go to the registers A, and after that it will go to the registers B, and after execution it will go to the main memory, as it is a hardware control unit and it is a less costlier than the CISC. Nowadays we actually use RISC, not CISC, because CISC is not preferable as it is highly costlier than RISC.